finding equations from graphs. So we have a formula in slope-intercept form called y equals mx plus b. We are able to write an equation for any line if we know the slope, the m, and if we know the y-intercept, the b. We can just replace those letters in the formula with the numbers that correspond to them. So for example, if the slope is 5 over 3 and the y-intercept is -4, we can replace our formula and say y equals 5 over 3 x minus 4. So when we are given a line graph, we can calculate the slope by counting the rise over run and by identifying the y-intercept. In our example, we know that the y-intercept is the point 0, 2 because it is crossing the y-axis, the vertical line, at that point. We also know that the rise over run, the slope, is able to be calculated because we have another point to count from. So I'm going to state that my b is 2. And now I'm going to calculate my m. So remember, rise goes first, vertical change. So I am just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I am going to count over. 1, 2, 3. So my m is rise 6 over 3. Needs to be simplified, so 6 divided by 3 is also just 2. So that means that my equation for this line would be y equals m, which is 2 in this case, because we can keep it simplified, x plus 2.